take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop.
Hey guys! Finally, a new video. I know this is a new background because if you can recall, in my previous videos, I have told you guys that I'll be transferring dorm, and right now we have transferred already. And for those asking me to do a room tour, I'm so sorry I can't do a room tour just because this room is not just mine, this is also my sister's. And sobrang impromptu ng video na to kasi naisipan ko lang mag-video kaninang umaga kasi meron akong vacant ngayong araw na to, which is at this hour before my next subject, which is my PE. I'm wearing my PE uniform kasi yun nga. And I don't know what to call this video yet, pero right now what I'll be showing you guys is a makeup video para sa peta ko sa PE later. It's a dance performance yung peta namin later. If you don't know what peta means performance task. So, ayun, yung PE ko kasi ngayon is dance, you know, hip-hop, ganyan. So, yun, may sale kami later. And right now, I'll be taking you guys with me as I do my hip-hop makeup look for my peta later, okay? So, let's start. Guys, sorry kung ulit-ulit na lang yung mga ginagawa kong makeup. You know, like, ewan ko ba, ganito naman talaga yung routine ko, concealer, tapos ito, ganyan. Parang wala pa akong changes sa product na ginagamit ko. So, I'm so sorry. Next time, try ko na magbago. Pero kasi, hindi talaga ako super pro mag-makeup. Like, wala talaga, guys. Yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon, sobrang parang pang grade 7, gano'n. Basta kung ano lang yung kaya ko, yun lang. Yung parang super beginner level lang talaga. So, sorry kung gusto nyo, marami akong ibang ginagamit na product, ganyan. Pero hindi kasi ako ganun ka-pro. Hindi naman ako ganun na super hilig talaga na mag-experiment sa makeup, ganyan. Parang sobrang beginner level lang talaga, guys. Gusto ko lang mag-try, ganyan. Pero yung parang di pa ako maabot dun sa point na parang gusto ko na i-try lahat. Ganon. Yung sucks lang, ganon. Anyway, yun lang naman.
I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Girl, don't you stop.
And by the way, guys, tumubo na nga pala yung kilay ko. Okay, i-reveal ko na. Ito siya. Ito yung kilay ko na yung na-shave ko. Pero medyo tumubo na siya. So, one of these days, congrats! Makakapag-eyebrow routine na tayo. So, wait nyo lang, guys, ha? Kasi, nahihirapan din ako mag-film, to be honest. Kasi, sobrang busy ko lang talaga sa school, ganyan. So, pray for me that I get all the energy to do film. Kasi, sa totoo lang, gusto ko naman talaga mag-film, guys. Sadyang, alam niyo yun, sobrang nakakapagod, sobrang wala akong energy. Parang, hindi nyo naman deserve yun, diba? Na parang, ang boring ko sa video. So, ayun. Siguro, skip ko na tong part na to, guys. Kasi, diba, mga eyebrow routine naman ako. So, PRB. And we're done with the brows. I hope this part doesn't bother you that much, guys. Kasi I can't do something about it. Ganyan talaga yun, guys. And you know, I'm so sorry for not having that typical YouTuber background. Next time, promise, next time. Now that we're done with the brows, sige, mag-eyeshadow na lang tayo, guys. Eyeshadow tayo. Okay, so ito lang naman yung lagi kong ginagamit. So ito lang gagamitin natin ulit. This shade plus this shade. So alam niyo ba, guys, naputol siya. Yung unicorn na putol. Oh my God. Bibili na talaga ako ng brush, yung totoo na, kasi sa boutique lang to eh. Pero it works naman kasi, kahit ito lang yung ginagamit ko.
And where we do, the things we do are just between.
Feeling ko wag na lang ako mag-falsies. Parang okay na yan.
I'm on top, ride like you in a rodeo. You ain't never heard it sound like this before. Cause I ain't never put it down like this. Soon as I come through the door, she get the pulling on my zipper. It's like it's a race who could get undressed quicker. Isn't it ironic how erotic it is to watch them thongs? Had me thinking about that ass after I'm gone. I touch the right spot.
Ayoko na lagyan yung baba. Kasi pagpapawisan lang din naman ako. I think kasi, okay lang kahit hindi ko na kasi masyadong mag-effort dito sa part na to ng face mo. Like, sa eyes, ganyan. Kasi, ang pinaka napapansin naman na magkakamuka kapag nagsayaw kayo is yung lips. Yun yung feeling ko ha, okay? Like, for example, later, yung dance is hip-hop. Parang mas okay if uniform kayo ng shade ng lipstick, ganyan. Particularly dark lipstick. Kaya yun yung gagamitin natin ngayon. Pero, wala akong dark lipstick. Pero may gagawin tayo para maging dark siya, guys. So, eto, sobrang cheap lang nito. Fashion 21 to na lipstick. And, this is what we're gonna use. It's in the shade C. Basta guys, C. Ayun. Pero any red naman na lipstick will do. Kasi yung pag-dark natin sa kanya is ititrick lang natin later. So, now that we have our red lips, kuha lang kayo ng any brush, na flat brush, which you can use to apply eyeshadow on your lips. Yes, eyeshadow. Like etong Nichido Stardust eyeshadow in totally neutral. Etong shade, guys, pwede nyo itong gamitin. Medyo shimmery kasi to. So, okay lang. Kasi sa lips mo naman lalagay. Tapos dark siya. So, pat nyo lang yung brush nyo dyan. Tapos, apply nyo siya sa lips nyo, guys. I suggest that you start on the outer corners of your lips. Like, oh my god, wait lang.
You have it your way. How do you want it? You gon' back that thing up or should I push up on it? Temperature rising, okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam-packed, hot as a tea kettle. I break it down for you now, baby.
Di naman na namin kasi gustong bumili ng isang lipstick para sa buong group namin sa dance. Kasi hello, peta lang naman to. And 2 minutes lang kaming sasayaw. So, sayang, diba? So, ayun, we just decided to be resourceful, you know. And hello, kasama kaya sa criteria yon yung pagiging resourceful.
Play with the stick. I'm trying to explain, baby, the best way I can. I'm melting your mouth, girl, not your teeth.
So, kapag ganyan, medyo harsh yung itsura niya, guys. Patungan na lang natin siya ulit ng lipstick. So, kapag tinanong ka kung anong shade ng lipstick mo, sabihin mo, imbento. Okay. So, feeling ko medyo kulang yung sa eyes natin. So, dagdagan natin siya ng dark eyeshadow.
Girl, what we do, and where we do, the things we do, are just between me and you.
Then, lastly, I think let's contour. I'm just using this everbilena blush duo in the shade Baked Fig yata to. I'll just put all the products in the description.
Like some race who could get undressed quicker. Isn't it ironic how erotic it is to watch them thongs? Had me thinking about that ass after I'm gone. I touched the right spot at the right time. Lights on, a light off, she like it from behind. So seductive, you should see the way she walks.
So, dahil late na tayo, eto na yun.
She ain't stopping, homie, I ain't stopping. Dripping wet with sweat, man, it's on and popping on my champagne campaign. Bottle after bottle, it's on, and we gon' sip to every bubble, and every bottle.
I'll show you guys the complete look later.
Lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. I wanna taste the what I Hindi ko alam. Actually, video yan eh. Ang dami mo ng picture. Ay, kuya. Meron masasabi mo sa vlog si Ella Gatchalian.
Nakakahiya!
Subscribe! Hello! Hello, everyone! So, ako po nag-take
Thank
ng
you so
photo
much,
ng
Ashley
thumbnail
Garcia, for this thumbnail.